Hey y'all, hey, it's AMIARENEE. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. I am leaving a dentist appointment. Just got my teeth clean. Look at my canine too. Oh, your front. Like 2 weeks ago, I was flossing and a piece of my teeth came out. So, girl, I got this little ponytail. I ain't gonna say little because my hair is growing a lot, so. But come to find out, it was a molar from a previous filling. And that last, oh, this person not see me? Let me pay attention because I didn't even see that car. Oops. I don't even know if she saw me. But the previous dentist I was going to, I only went there like for like a year. And I did not like them. The only reason why I was okay with them is because it's hard to find doctors who have evening or late appointments. I do not like to leave work early or take off or use my PTO for an appointment. I don't play that. I don't like it. Don't use my time. No, my time is for me, fun time. My mother referred me to the dentist, and come to find out when I went in there, it's the same building, but somebody else took over the office. And I was like, yeah, this is not, no, this is not it. I don't like going to dentists that kind of like cater to children, that have like the little playhouse and all that. That's cute and all if I had kids and maybe, you know, we could go to the dentist together. Dang, he just cut everybody off. But I don't feel like dealing with all that. Like, kids running around and this and that. Like, let me go to the grown-up dentist, okay? I don't feel like dealing with all that. Oh, that was the police, because I was wondering how the heck he jumped in front of everybody and the light was red. Like, what the heck? Dang, I keep on getting distracted. Keep trying to talk to y'all. But yeah, so they did my fillings, and I didn't like the way they did. Like, I just didn't like it. It didn't feel right. If you ever had a filling done, fill in, and it's supposed to fill in what they took out, not create big lumps and dumps in your teeth. I don't know, I just don't like the way it feels. It's not smooth. So I didn't know if I could get a fill-in done with my braces on. So they said they could, but they have to correspond with my orthodontist. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be too much. I can handle it. I got it all scheduled for the same day, so hopefully my mouth is not gonna be tore up. I have a orthodontist appointment at 3:15 for them to take off the wire. Then around the corner, I'll go back to my dentist at 3:30 for them to do the filling. And then at 4:30, I'll go back to the orthodontist for them to put my braces back on, girl. Because that's my original 6-week appointment for them to change my bands and all of that. There's a lot of police out here today, baby. What else is going on with me, y'all? Oh, yeah, so our coats did come. I got my man his leather coat for his birthday. And guess what? October. It's still warm where I live at, which is not good. It's not supposed to be warm. I'm not complaining too much because I don't like the cold weather, but I was a little excited to throw on my little leather coat and look cute and smell like leather. So now we pressed it with these daggone coats and it's not even cold out here. But mine is so freaking cute. Oh, I can't wait till y'all see it. And it's genuine leather. And it was only 125 or 130 or something like that. I was going to say, a hygienist, she was so sweet. It reminded me of when I used to be a hygienist. So I thought, as I was taking classes and stuff. I didn't get to the hygienist classes, but I was taking all the prereqs. And baby, what changed my mind, I went to the dentist. The person beside me, I couldn't see him, but I could hear him. He was over there screaming and hollering and going crazy. And then, I don't know what happened to me. I just said, no. I can't be in people's mouth. People nasty. Then I don't even like the public. I don't know if I could do it. But y'all, I feel like I had something to say, but I can't remember what it was. I always do that lately. I want to record, talk to y'all, but I freaking forget what I wanted to say. Talk to y'all later. So we are just leaving Ulta. Got a couple things I want to show y'all. Been looking for this Heritage store rose water toner. My man really liked this. We've been looking for this since I worked with them. And this hand moisturizer, let me tell you, my girlfriend Chris got me a small one. I can't remember how long ago it was, and I kept it in my purse. It smelled so good, so I finally got a bigger size. I'm still going to carry it in my purse though, but oh my gosh, this smells so good, and it's very moisturizing. I want the eyebrows on, as you can tell. I could not find my e.l.f. cream brow slash eyeliner. I had it in my car, but it fell under my chair and I can't find it, and I just not doing all that to go look for it, so brought me one. And this is new to us, Butter Skin.
Turn left.
We don't have, well, I say we because some products we do share, some we don't, a lot we don't. But anyway, he doesn't have a nighttime moisturizer and I don't either, so we are going to give this a try. I like to put oils on my face at night, but sometimes I want a moisturizer. That's that. Going to Whole Foods, and I don't know where else we're going to today. My hair, got my little hat on because I need to do my hair. I think I'm gonna wash it and twist it tonight, like jumbo twist with some fake hair. We gonna see.
All night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall, that ass is still amazing. Laying, baby. I'm saying, baby. Love it, shit. You know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made me coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you with.
I would like to thank Necessaire for providing me with the products I will be shampooing my hair with today. If you watch any of my hair videos, 9 times out of 10, I will be using Necessaire products. I absolutely love them. Necessaire, the hair serum, is formulated with clinically proven products such as peptide blend to help with hair growth, applying it every day in the thinning areas and keep it in. But since it's a liquid base, I was scared that my hair would kink up, so I would just apply it like you see before wash day. If you want to save 10% off your Necessaire purchase, don't forget to use my discount code 10AMIAR. Necessaire, the shampoo, cleanse, hydrate, and strengthens your hair. It's also clean, vegan, dermatology tested, and cruelty free. Again, if you want to save 10% off your Necessaire purchase, don't forget to use my discount code 10AMIAR. Necessaire, the conditioner, is great for dryness and irritation. It can be used on all hair types, straight, wavy, curly, coily, and tight curls. It's also vegan and cruelty free.
Never say how it used to be.
Look at that big old turkey. Oh my gosh. And he is nice and brown skinned, just like the family. Ain't he cute? He is nice and dog.
He's sunbathing.
Woo, he look good. And we got
The ham.
2 hams.
That ham is on. This thing looks so
We got 2
good.
hammy hams. Stuffing.
You still want these?
Sinead. Taylor.
Hey, a minute.
Yeah.
You need more juice in the greens?
Where the greens at? Let me see. It like it's good, David. Greens. Sauerkraut. Corn pudding. Mashed potatoes. Sweet potatoes. And a dessert. Pineapple upside down. Blueberry.
Oh, you talking about biryani?
And some sweet potato pie. Macaroni, Tony.
They broke up.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving 2023. We are about to cut out this good old Thanksgiving food.
Oink, oink.
The oink oink.
You want me to take a fork and hold the butt part? You think
Good.
But this little teeny fork, I kept saying I'm gonna grab one.
But one the big fork.
A big fork, a certain, you know. Let's go. I ain't got nothing but these little ones.
Bye.
Presentation is everything. Hello. Oh, look at all that juice coming out of there. Y'all see that juice? I don't play.
Don't play with me.
I know she got, huh?
Everybody's supposed to stop. I got beans and sauerkraut.
Now everybody plate's empty. Okay.
That's all that's what we need.
Let me.
Uncle Mom!
Hey.
He lost 15 pounds, y'all. Said,
Oh, no, that's right. Congratulations.
about to get him back. About to get him back. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh. Why you losing weight? You want to lose weight on purpose, Mark, or you stressed out?
He working.
So what, you can't eat when you work?
Hey!
That don't even make sense. I don't understand.
Everything all right.
What's up, man? Oh, yeah.
Tell him about the mac and cheese. I went old school on them. I did put carnation. Let anybody tell you what I did. I went back to my old. I'm confused. I did something from my grandmother's ID and one of my old ones.
All right.
And I said I'm gonna put my toes up in this mac and cheese for Thanksgiving. You feel me? I ain't say to.
That's the great. What?
You call yourself eat.
What you want on?
For my vlog.